Hey Jack. Yeah? Good is bon in French, right? Yes, bon. And buy is acheter. Acheter, yes. So with with goodbye be bon acheter. What? When you're buying something it's B-U-Y, and when you're saying goodbye it's B-Y-E. You do realize that, don't you? Come on, man, that was meant to be a joke. You don't have to be so serious all the time. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. So, how do you say goodbye in French? Au revoir. Au revoir. That doesn't even have good in it. Of course, it doesn't have good in it. What's so good about leaving someone, watching the one you love just walk away from you, and you just you hey man, stay with me. So goodbye is au revoir, right? Yes, au revoir, or salut. Salut, I thought I was like hi. Yeah, salut is hi, salut is bye. You know, there's a simple logic behind it. When you meet someone at the beginning of the conversation, you say hi, you know, so salut, you get it? Now, after the conversation, you're leaving the person, you're trying to say bye. So, what do you think the natural thing for you to say would also be salut? You know, it's pretty straightforward, isn't it? You wait, what?